Hello. We have named the first storm of the season. Aileen is arriving tonight and it's likely to bring problems with wind strength in particular. It's going to be a very blustery night for some parts of the UK. We have issued an amber be prepared warning. Now, the storm itself is brewing out in the Atlantic. For many ahead of it, it's a fine day today with sunny spells around earlier on. But this big area of cloud is the developing Aileen. Now, at this stage, not particularly lively in terms of its intensity, but as we run through the rest of the day, just look as the storm really starts to deepen, really intensifies as it approaches the UK through Tuesday afternoon. And so when it crosses the UK this evening and overnight, it's packing a punch. Look at the isobars really squeezing together there. That's what's going to cause the strong winds. As I said, though, ahead of that, for many, it's a fine afternoon with sunny spells, a few scattered showers across parts of the west. The breeze, nothing significant, lighter than yesterday, and so it probably feels a bit warmer out there, especially when the sun is shining. Temperatures getting into the mid to high teens. But notice behind me, Aileen is already arriving. By the afternoon, spreading heavy rain across Northern Ireland. Now, let's deal with the rain first of all, because it's going to be a pretty wet rush hour. Parts of North Wales, much of Northern England and southern Scotland. Heavy downpours likely here, a lot of spray and surface water on the roads. But as the storm arrives, well, the main issue overnight will be the strength of the winds, really picking up through the first half of the night, so that we'll see very strong gusts across northwest England, North Wales in particular, and then those strong winds transferring into parts of North Wales, the North Midlands, right across northern England. Gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour could cause some problems because the trees are in leaf, but with gusts possibly in some locations as much as 75 miles an hour, they could do some serious damage. Now, the storm is clearing out of the way by 6 o'clock in the morning, but tomorrow morning's rush hour in particular could be troublesome. That's when we're most likely to have disruption. You can see the swirl there overnight as Aileen heads out into the North Sea by dawn, temperature-wise 10 to 13 Celsius. Now, the storm itself will continue to head away quite quickly tomorrow morning, but as I said, there could be some disruption on the roads as the winds slowly ease through the morning. Now, the winds will be easing, but it's still going to be a blustery day on Wednesday. Plenty of sunny spells, actually, but also plenty of showers, particularly over Scotland and northern England. So it's a sunshine and showers kind of day on a Wednesday, still pretty breezy and still on the cool side with temperatures 13 to 18 Celsius. Through the course of Wednesday evening, we'll continue with a fair few showers. The winds will continue to be easing down, but still a noticeable and rather cool breeze. And that's really the forecast for the rest of this week. Once Aileen is out of the way, we're still looking at showers on the cool side and still pretty blustery. Now, the weather warnings will be constantly monitored, and you can keep up to date for yourself by checking out our website, or of course there's always the very latest on the Met Office app.